Welcome to the Art Lady's Home. Today I'm going to share with you how I trained a Peggy Martin or Katrina climbing rose to go up over the arbor. Here is a Peggy Martin, and she's about 4 years old, and I just wanted to show you the structure of how I'm training her. For the first few years I kind of just let her grow and go up the arbor, and she's a very easy rose to train because she has no thorns and her canes are pretty flexible. So what I did today was I took them off this arbor, and you can see on the other side here where they're just all hanging down. I haven't tied these yet. And I also did a lot of trimming, so I trimmed her back. And then I kind of wove her in an S pattern from the bottom. And I went to pretty much the top of this arbor. And then I did have a cane that was kind of hard to bend. So what I did was I put it to the very right over here, and I just attached it up here, and that's just to get some vertical branches coming off of this. And then once I have the vertical branches, I'll move it back to the arbor. But it won't sprout out a lot of the side branches unless it's at an angle. And so this one was originally just going straight up the arbor. So I'm gonna let it have some branching and then I'll tie it up. And I will show you what the other one looks like on the other side. Here's the big kind of jumbled mess here. And I took a lot of the side shoots down. I cut them off, trimmed them down, and I was left with a lot of these main canes. And you can see here how I've started to tie this off to the arbor. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tie the rest of this. And these are probably about 20 feet long. They come all the way over here. And so I'll weave it back and forth as best I can on the arbor. And then I'm gonna have it come up over the top here. And here she is on this side. And I do have a few canes from this climbing rose that I'm gonna also attach to the arbor. It's not a Peggy Martin. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It's a pink one that's very similar to her though. And if I had thought about this was kind of just a happening. I just started doing this without planning, but I would have cleaned that arbor before I started doing all this tying off, because I noticed up here it's a little grubby from when I cleaned it this summer and the plants were in the way. But there's how I'm going to tie this off, and you can see how it kind of makes this serpentine overlapping S shapes or figure eights. And she's going to grow quick. Usually when I trim her back crazy like this, she responds really well. And here's what this side looks like. And I took the opposite side and kind of just draped it down. It went up and over the arbor, and then I had extras, so I'm just leaving it draped down. And then I'll show you on this side. And this is with the I think it's a climbing blush that I also had. So I kind of put them both together. And my goal was to have it as horizontal as possible and then not touch another branch as much as possible. And I'll kind of show you this way here. There's a gap between as they overlap a little. as much as possible. Some of them I did tie to each other, and if they did overlap, I made sure that the second one that has spikes or prickles, I made sure that I took them off where they touch, because I don't want it scraping the Peggy Martin. And I think the one that does have the prickles is a climbing blush. It could possibly be. It looks very similar to a Peggy Martin, the flowers. And so I think it's a pretty good horizontal. So I think I got a lot of area that is horizontal on here. And like I said, I was fortunate enough that this plant can bend pretty good. The climbing blush didn't bend as well, and I think I ended up breaking between the two plants two tips of a cane, so that wasn't too bad. And I hope that helps you in training your climbers. And then of course, as it flows over the top, it's going to create a lot of verticals where the flowers will form right there. And what you're seeing is from last year's blooms. So this year, with the tying off of the new canes, I'm expecting more flowers coming up the sides.